Hello, my name is Phil LaChance, and I'm a senior at Appalachian State University, where I major in communication studies and minor in theater. I would like to welcome you to take a quick look at my senior portfolio. I created this website in order to allow any potential employers and clients to get an idea of my skills, a look at some of my works, and have access to my contact information. I have also provided several rationales to give some insight as to why I included them within the portfolio. I would just like to thank you for visiting my page and what I have to offer. If you have any questions or would like to get into contact me, do so at any time. So without further ado, let's get started. Here on the home page, we have my elevator speech. Uh, which is meant to quickly convey and communicate the most important aspects of who I am and what I can do, and what I aim to do as well. So, as the speech says, my name is Phil LaChance, and I'm looking for a position in social media management, as well as work in the voiceover industry. I am a senior at Appalachian State University, where I major in communication studies and minor in theater. I have learned how to use communication skills in order to help businesses expand their online presence and gain access to a larger target audience. And I have experience in creating ads and websites for marketing and public relations purposes. I have also learned how to utilize my voice as a tool for communication and storytelling. My goal is to help companies increase their appeal and relevance by curating their social media and connecting them with their clientele by using voiceover. Next, I provided pictures from my Instagram account to show off some of the things I've already accomplished and to provide an example of my skills with social media. They are directly linked to my Instagram account, so just by clicking one of them, you can visit my Instagram and get a closer look, as for instance right here. As you can see, if you click right here, you can gain access to my Instagram account and have a closer look as well. And if we hit back, here at the bottom to finish off the page, I have left a photo of myself at work in the voiceover studio, as well as a section so any potential employers or clients can get in touch with me and set up a meeting if they would choose. I will be able to see it instantly, seeing it's connected to a lot of my emails. Alright, and next we'll take a look at the resume page. Here I have presented my resume. I've included my resume in order to highlight my work ethic, leadership skills, and years of experience in customer service. It contains my career objectives, which is to earn a position in social media management, as well as a brief look into my educational history, work experience, skills and interests, and achievements. My aim is to give an overview of myself and show how I can apply my previous skills and experiences to a position in social media management. If you'd like to take a quicker look, if you hit the click link right there, it'll take you immediately to my resume. And next up, we have the strategic plan. And on this page, I have presented my goals. And here at the bottom, my strategic plan is a yearly roadmap that I've made with each year having its own goal. Before I transferred to Appalachian State University, I'd always been interested with working in social media and in voiceover. My goal was to gain some experience in voice recording and learn how to properly manage social media for profitability. This strategic plan is to outline the steps and goals I aim to achieve in my career and in my personal life. And if we continue on, we will see my writing skills. To showcase my skills as a writer, I have included an essay where I wrote advocating the need for gun control within the US. I feel this piece highlights my skills in organizing and structuring an essay, writing a compelling argument, and correctly compiling a bibliography and using thorough research to justify my stances on the subject. And if you click here, you'll be able to take a further look into the paper as it is. Continuing on, I'd like to take a look at my analytical skills. And here, to showcase those skills, I have selected one of my most recent class projects. This research study, a recently conducted one, I completed with a team of my classmates, showcasing my analytical prowess. Our team asked the question, are people's motivations for using social media related to their body image? We then gathered data from an identified population by sending out anonymous, voluntary surveys. After receiving responses, we analyzed and graphed the data using Excel and identified trends and patterns that would help prove our theory in the end. This study would then go on to show how I honed my skills in research, analysis, and collaboration. And it also shows how I can use social media as a tool to find answers that I seek. And if we'd like to take a moment to click, we can now see the entirety of the research paper all the way. And if we go back, we take a look at my computer skills. To give an example of my computer skills, I have provided an infographic, a previous creative project of mine, and also, as I mentioned before, my Instagram account. So, for instance, the reason why I included the infographic is this infographic depicts the results of the case study that I previously showed with my classmates on social media and how it pertains to body image. It shows my skills in using a computer to compile and display data, and also shows my skills in graphic design. By gathering the data using social media and surveys, graphing and analyzing it using Excel, and displaying the data clearly and easily in a computer-generated infographic. I demonstrate my proficiency in various computer programs as well. To see the report this infographic originated from, just click the Analytical Skills tab. To see the full infographic, just click the picture, like this. And there it appears. Moving on. See the creative project I did for my History of Musical Theater class. My classmates and I had to create a Broadway musical and choose who we wanted to act in it, direct and produce it, and then choreograph it. We were given an unlimited budget and could use anybody. We could pick from anyone, living or dead, and we can choose anybody who wanted to be involved with the production. I then helped create the PowerPoint demonstrating my ability to use computer skills to deliver information to a client and to tell a story. Also, I used computer programs to design our t-shirt for the show, which also can be seen in the presentation. This project has allowed me to use my skills and creativity. So if you'd like to view it, just click the image here. And lastly, I would like to show off my Instagram, as I mentioned before. To showcase my skills in social media usage, I created an Instagram page meant to represent me as a voice actor and to make me seem more marketable as possible to both potential employers and potential clients. Creating pages like this is something I would do often as a social media manager. Using social media selling strategies and my knowledge of the platform, I created an impressive bio featuring outside links, a nice headshot, and carefully curated posts featuring popular and searchable hashtags. To view more of this Instagram, click on the picture, or to see the home page and click on any of those pictures posted there to view the Instagram page. And to lead us up next, we have my other works. Finally, we had this great assignment that we did in my capstone class. As a collaborative capstone project, my classmates and I created a video encouraging local residents to get out and take advantage of early voting in our county. This project taught me skills in collaboration, video producing and editing, and the process of the conceptualization and research that builds the foundation of a strong finished product. Again, to view the video, just click on the image above and it'll take you right to the link. And finally, to wrap everything up, I've written a rationale to explain why I've put the whole portfolio together. This collection of my works is meant to highlight the skills I have obtained here during my time at ASU. I have included a variety of projects to showcase my abilities in writing, analysis, computer literacy, social media, graphic design, creativity, and in collaboration. It is my hope that these works will prove to potential employers that I have been adequately prepared for a position within the fields of social media management and in voiceover. By organizing these projects in an easy-to-navigate website that also includes general information about myself and my contact information, I have attempted to provide a brief overview of who I am as a young professional and have attempted to make myself marketable and appealing as a new hire upon graduation. This is Phil LaChance. Thank you for joining me.